Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Lautie mini dealer, copper nickel, here with me for a review. I'm gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. But don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this fella, which comes with some stickers. This is, by the way, the old configuration, let's say, of the packaging. Right now, the pack, I mean, this is like discontinued, but the new packages are a little bit different, but still, you have like some spongy insert, extra bearing right over here. You got this tool which is needed to take this guy apart and to maintain or to replace the bearing, and here you have it. That's a pretty good one. I have the more expensive brother right over here. It's the Zirk version, and this is kind of like gray level. This is the copper and nickel, so still pretty good. I'm just gonna check quickly the size. It's 1.5 inches for the diameter and 1/2 of an inch for the thickness, so not too big. It's a very cool size. Like, for example, that is the Black Mirror design chocolate. Right over here you get to see the Ambury, that is the Taken haptic coin, full size. Maki, that is the CP2. Muji, gorgeous piece, that is the capsule spinner. And Tom EDC, that is the Mahjong clicker. I want to show you this guy right over here. That's the 42 Cosmo Nebula. And what else can I show you? A couple of Lautie pieces. That's the collaboration with ACEDC. That is another fantastic Lautie haptic coin. And that's it. You want to see a couple more? Why not? ACEDC. Let's go away, guys. Gamer. That is the clicker, and this is the slider right over here. Anyways, this is a beautiful piece. Is one of my, I'm not like a spinner guy. I like more like sliders, clickers, but sometimes I do like spinners. Like, if they are very good, like this is amazing. One of the best spinners out there. This is another fantastic one. Another one, which is just ridiculous, is this guy right over here. Look at this, but that's gonna be for another video. Or like this. I mean, come on, these are serious spinners. And this is also another serious spinner. Really cool design. I love the skull right over here. This is how it's designed, with some flames in the head. Don't play with the devil. Dealer, that's the mini dealer, because also there's like a full-size dealer, like bigger, chunkier, heavier. Nice kind of like inlaid ball bearings on the outside, and just like a copper base right there. Nickel is on the inside, and this guy, you just hold it like here, you just spin it. It's very quiet, kind of like almost inaudible, and or you can just lay down on the table, just have it spinning, just leave it there, enjoy watching it. So it's kind of like also like a desktop, a desk toy, sorry. You can also take this guy apart, just like unscrew the button, like so, which is nickel. And inside you can just take these two guys apart. The tool is going to be needed to take this retainer here when you want to replace the bearing right there. Inside you can see that this is a genuine product because of the serial number, which has to match with the box. Then you just put this guy back together like so, and you just screw in the button with this pretty cool and cute skull. So the other way of just like, you know, you can of course like just use it as a spinner like that, and it's gonna give you a nice feedback in the hand. But also you can do something like that, just spin it and just place it kind of like vertically on the table, and this guy is just gonna start spinning around. So it has like also a nice gyroscopic effect, and if you're pretty good, you can try to balance this thing in place, and it's gonna spin in place. Pretty good indeed. Let me just grab like the scale and see how much this guy is gonna be weighing in your pocket, because it's there's some heft to it. 3.58 ounces. It's not like super light, but it's gorgeous. It's dense. It's beautiful. It's silent. The feeling in the hand is great. This is one of the best spinners ever. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.